Alright guys, back out here, about to get back to work on the Mustang. Now that I've managed to get the engine level, I can take the breather off and take the shaker itself off, and I need to get my TV cable hooked up. But before I hook up the TV cable to the carburetor, which I need to swap out, I need to shorten the TV cable. So that's what I'm about to work on. It's just excessively long. It came with my transmission. It's just a Lockhart TV cable or kickdown cable, whatever you want to call them. And the previous owner had a sniper set up, and I think it was just needed a lot more on it. So I'm going to cut that, shorten it out, and go from there. Hey everybody, another day, another dollar out here in the garage. About to get to work on the carb. Now that, I got the engine leveled, I got that TV cable shortened, I got my brackets all set up the way I need them for the time being. Now I need to replace the carb itself. I got the 1404 or 1405 on there. It's like a 500 CFM carb. It was always just a temporary carb, so it's manual choke. So I've got the 1406 600 CFM electronic choke carb to put on there. This always was the game plan for this thing. So bought it brand new, got my little 10% off with Summit from the Hot Rod Power Tour, so just took advantage of that while I could, and it's time to get to work. So not a big ordeal. Most of you guys are familiar with this, so let's just get to it. Simplest part, 1/2-inch socket. That's what the easiest to get all these bolts off. I need to remove my spring first from the throttle. I've already removed my actual throttle cable off the ball. Got vacuum hose, fuse hose, and vacuum hose. So need to pull those off as well. So we'll probably go ahead and just start with those. I'm going to leave the fuel hose on for right now. That way I don't leak fuel all over the place. Alright, PCV valve is off, distributor vacuum, and now we just got a couple bolts. So technically 4 bolts usually, but in this instance we got 6 because I got 2 extras to hold on the throttle bracket and TV cable bracket that I have, which is just an Amazon cheapo, but it works. So get to that. Alright, we're back, and basically I've got the key into the ignition turned once to get some voltage, and we should be able to read 12 volts over here at this wire. So I should be able to just go here and ground. And boom, 12 volts, just like we wanted. So, time to see if we can start this bad boy up. Should run rough because it's not tuned, but it should run. Alright, it is running. It is not idling, but that's kind of to be expected. I haven't tuned it. I don't think the timing's right, but we're still where we were before. So now I'm just going to clean up the wiring a little bit, check a couple things, and go from there. So, woo! Got our 1406 on. Alright. Rocking and rolling, baby. I did a half turn on both the mixture screws, and now we got to idle. The choke's working. We're up about 1,500 RPMs right now. So you imagine that's going to be like that until we warm up. There we go. So it should be a little warm, should be down now. But either way, we are now idling without having to get the car heated up. Yeah, it looks about 800 RPMs. So yeah, hell yeah, 1406 with electronic choke. Car's running better than it has since I had it. Like I said, I don't think I had that 1500, or I'm sorry, 500 CFM carb even tuned. So I might have been able to do the same thing with it. Well, rocking and rolling, baby. Woo!
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, but